Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Don't know how well you can hear me, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to be entirely using this mic to talk to you guys. So I want to give you guys a true example of how this mic sounds. It's the VXR10 universal cardioid microphone. So basically it's a plug and play mic, okay? It says it works on iPad, iPhone, Mac. Now, I will go ahead, let you guys know for the purpose of full disclosure, they did send me this mic. However, my review is my own for this mic entirely. So yeah, let's get into what they have out of the box, okay? They include this cable. They include a second one, which I have currently plugged up. As you can see, it uses the headphone jack to plug in, or the mic jack if your computer had one or something, but that's like super old. So, headphone jack. So, if you have like a newer iPhone or a newer Android that doesn't have a headphone jack, you will need to buy a converter. Offline, it doesn't come with one by default. It comes with two of these, and that's about it for the cords. It comes with a carrying case, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but it comes with one of these attached to the mic, oddly enough. So yeah, definitely something to keep in mind there. Now I'm trying not to move it around too much because I'm actually recording my audio with it. But yeah, I think the wind thing is pretty nice. Now, when they were like, hey, you want to check out this product, review it and whatever, I was like, yeah, sure, because, you know, finding good alternative mics actually pretty good to find, because I mean, I personally use a XLR mic for my day-to-day, but it is nice to find a mic for to go, you know, so you can actually carry with you and whatnot. I don't know if this mic will be my to go, but there are options. There are definitely options. I'll put a link in the description below to this mic if you like the sound. There's also a QR code on the back of this box that says activate your 2-year warranty. So yeah, I'll go ahead and read you what it says, what's in the box, okay? Microphone, free windscreen, shock mount, and yeah, so that's basically what it includes. It case, 3.5 millimeter TRS cable. That's this cable right here. It actually contains closer to 2 of them. So, you know, I think this is the one that it's supposed to plug in, and then the other one is the backup. But I suppose it doesn't really matter. It's working just the same. Oh, and another cable. Okay. That is interesting. And I'm actually indoors right now, as you can see, so I can't test how well the wind screen is, but you know, you saw it. I showed you it. It looks just like a normal windscreen, so chances are it is a normal windscreen. And like I said, you're listening to, this whole thing with the mic. I'm not going to add any post-production magic to it in Final Cut Pro or anything like that. I usually, to my audio, I usually like adding noise reducer and echo reducer. Let's call it an echo reducer. That's a more technical, elegant term for it. But yeah, but none of that for this. You might even be able to hear this noise here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this mic in the comment section below. Like I said, I have a link to this mic in the comment section below. I honestly would like to know, is this like something you would consider, like if it's a choice between not recording something and recording something, what do you use this, or would you just rather like use your phone or something? Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.